Bully Gang, it's your boy Mal from Quad's Kennel. And today, we're gonna be doing some bite work. A question's been asked, will your dog protect? Like my man Junior used to say, it's either your dog is gonna ride for you or it's not. I can tell you right now that that dog right there will ride. She hasn't been trained yet. Quiet! But she's amped up, pumped up. I may just have to let her go because she's so young. She's only 4 months old, 45 pounds. I know I've been saying she's 50. Yeah, she's 45 pounds. She's pumped up. She is BGK bloodline. That's a BGK bloodline dog, female. So right here, we have our boy Bishop. You already know. Get the side of him, man. Show the side. Sit. Sit, boy. So you see Bishop? Massive dome. If this boy gets a bite of you, big meat chunk head, it's over. This is a Co-op Kennel production right here. Co-op Kennel dog. And she basically has DDK9 bloodline in her, but it's a Co-op Kennel dog. So I know that in the future, this dog is probably gonna take off and protect. But right now, she's laid back and relaxed. But what I'm about to do here is this. I'm gonna do bite work with Bishop and show them that the only thing they can do if they wanna have fun is attack this thing. This right here, as you see, he's ready. He's ready to work. This is Bossy bloodline dog. It's got Markov and Bismarcky and all the top names that you could think of in the bloodline of this dog. But, you know, has a lot of champions in the blood. But this dog is turned up to the max as far as muscles go and attitude, from what I can just tell. So all that big time XL blood that's in him equates to a dog that is very muscular, very powerful, and willing to work. So without any further ado, we're gonna put Big Bishop into action. And remember, just because your dog bites this sleeve, sit, 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 boy, sit, doesn't mean your dog is gonna ride. Sit. This brings me to another point. I see a lot of you going on YouTube. Oh, woo! Y'all better know what y'all doing out here. Hit. I see a lot of y'all going to YouTube. Online and buying a sleeve. Y'all getting the wrong sleeve, and y'all gonna end up getting hurt. You gotta have the right sleeve. Adult protection sleeve. Hey. A sleeve with a bar in it, like this. If you get a sleeve that doesn't have a bar in it, a bite bar, what's gonna happen is the dog's gonna bite through the sleeve and you're gonna get hurt. So stop going on Amazon and buying a sleeve that doesn't have this extra layer of protection in it. Out! Out! Bishop! Out, boy! Sit! You want that extra bite bar. And be careful. Out! Let him have it. So what I want to say is, training your dog to attack, all it does is teach your dog to basically get in a frenzy, and if things get crazy, you kind of like work. This does not train a dog to attack someone. See how I'm doing this? And all he wants is that sleeve. Bishop won't bite me. Hit! And that's what you want. You want that deep, dark bite. All right, release Mamacita. We're gonna release the puppies one by one. Oh, shit. Shit. His knees went through. You gotta be careful when you're doing this, y'all. Bishop's about 75 pounds, soaking wet. But with the size of head he has, he'll hurt you. We're gonna release King and see what King can do. Get it, King. Stop it, King. As you see, King is just pumped up. The Kingdom. Woo! Let me tie this boy up before it gets dangerous. Out! Out! Bishop, out! He's choking himself. He wants this thing over. Come on, boy. Get a bite. Come on. Get your bite. Get your bite, boy. Get your bite, boy. Get your bite, boy. Get your bite, boy. Get your bite. This dog is 6 months old. Come on. Get your bite. Come on, boy. He doesn't know to bite, but it's okay. We let it go. Let him get interested in it. He doesn't know if he wants to play with it or if he's gonna get in trouble. Yeah. Mamacita, this is a fiery dog.
She'll get it.
Maybe they'll get it if you do it. They like playing with you more.
Come on, Mommy. Mommy. Come on, Mommy. Get it, Mommy. Get it, Mommy.
Yeah, they like you more.
Get it, Mommy. Get it, Mama. Good, Mama. Get it, Mama. Get it, Mama. Yeah. Yeah, Mama.
3-month-old. So the 3-month-old is doing better than the other dogs.
Get it, Mama. Yeah, good girl, Mama. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
They don't know what to do. But they know they're having a good time. And that's why all dogs don't make good guard dogs or bite work dogs.
Hey.
But they're not asphyxiated on toys. They just want to have a good time with each other. So it was a good lesson for them. Now we'll let the King go. We'll let the monster go. Go, get it, boy. And remember, he is a bully. That thick dome that you guys like, this is what you'll get. You know, he's not built to be out here in the sun like this working, but he can still work. Right now he's gassed out. But trust me, one bite, one bite from this guy, you know, would have had you done. But it's very hot today. Bishop has that big, thick dome that you guys like. And just imagine if you put 100 pounds of weight on him, how much work would he really be able to do at 175 pounds? Not much. So remember, be careful what you wish for. Y'all want large dogs, snub noses, ain't gonna be able to come out no 80 degrees or 75 degrees and work. Not for too long. And for the truth of the matter is, any dog will burn up in this heat. But when you got a snub nose and a meaty head, you'll burn up quick. But he's smart and experienced, so he's hanging out in the shade and he's catching his breath. And Bishop isn't that big, y'all. But his head is big and his body's muscular. He takes a chomp out of you. Whatever plan you had, you'll cancel your plan. And just showing someone that he is capable of doing this kind of work and just showing the size of him will deter people from trying to find out if he would actually bite you or not. I can tell you now, I've been bit by Bishop, I've been scratched by Bishop. You don't want it. You don't want to be scratched or bitten by this dog. Scratches burn and the bites send numbing pain through your whole body. Look, they out here running, they getting their exercise on, y'all. They're puppies, so you know, don't expect too much out of them. But this is a little training for them, and they'll learn. And by the time they're 1 year old, we'll see who really about that life and who ain't. That's happy-go-lucky right now today. He just ready. He just happy to be free. As you can see, he's 6 months old, and he's already bigger than Bishop. Before this month is out, this boy will be 80 pounds. Stop it! What he's doing right now is kind of challenging Bishop. Stop! King, stop! So you gotta nip it in the bud now. As you can see, Bishop ignored him. Bishop is a well-mannered dog. It's the kind of dog you want in your camp. A dog that can work, a dog that got a nice headpiece, and a dog that can ignore other dogs and be like, you know, just a good-natured dog. But Mamita, she's gonna be something else. She's gonna be something else. She's gonna be the next biter. She got that drive. And it's just like my man Junior used to say, it's either you gonna ride, either your dog gonna ride or it ain't. I guarantee you, you can do something crazy around this dog when it get bigger. You might not even have to do anything. This dog is coming ready to bite. The little blue one. Glorilla. And that brings me back to what I was saying earlier, guys. Y'all going out and buying these bite sleeves that do not have a bite bar in it. You need this bite bar right here. It gives you about a 4-inch protection between your arm and the dog's biting. If you were to take and get that cheap, they get one that's for puppy training. And a lot of people I'm seeing y'all get that thing, and I'm telling you, if you was to pull that bite sleeve out without this protective bar in it and let this guy bite you, you'd be screaming and crying. You might end up in the ER, especially if you can't get them off. All right, these guys, we're gonna run one more time and get some exercise. He's gonna come up from out of the sun, he don't care. But he got a snub nose, the snub nose that you guys all want. That y'all actually don't have, because a lot of y'all dogs with them German schnauzer snouts. But he'll be okay. When you're doing work like this, you never want to be too far from home in case you got to pick a dog up and carry him home. Like Fit Bully TV will tell you. You know, in the U.S. Army, there's no dog left behind. So you don't want to be too far. We work our dogs from a puppy. You see him, he got them teeth. He's gonna be something exceptional. We just gotta figure out what is he gonna do, and he's gotta figure out what we expect. Because if he thinks he's gonna be just biting like that, when he gets bigger, it's not gonna be cool, because he's gonna be a big dog. He's almost 80 pounds. And in fact, if we would have overfed him, he would be 80 pounds. King. But we didn't overfed him. We just fed him just enough, you know, to get him to a nice size. He's not looking too lanky. But you see what happens when you get him fat. You see Bishop. And we're going to take everybody home and hose him down. Put some soap on him. Will your dog ride? Some dogs going to ride, some dogs ain't going to ride. Some dogs will bite the sleeve, but they ain't going to ride. But basically the sleeve provides a situation where the dog is able to unleash his natural aggression and simulate if he had to attack, he'd know how to do it. You want him to bite on and not let go. Grabbing that forearm kind of brings the intruder down, and it will naturally swing around you in a circle so you can't get the object from him. Some say that's not a good strategy for a dog to really bite like that, but the truth is, once you get bit by a dog like Bishop, that's it. Whatever you had planned, it's over. Unless you're high on like PCP or something. One bite, you're gonna let go. You're gonna beg for mercy. Because every nerve ending in your body is going to be screaming at 100% throttle. It's your boy Malcolm Clark Kennel. We out.